This is day 5 of Diddy's trial and Cassie Ventura's cross-examination testimony. Let's get into it, family. You believe Mr. Combs was blacked out for the intercontinental event? I believe he was intoxicated. Everyone's definition is different. But you said blackout. What did you write here? I wrote, when you get effed up the wrong way. You meant substances and alcohol. Here, Mr. Combs writes to you, I am so for you. They say this is not in evidence. Mr. Combs is asking you for soon after the Intercontinental, right? I was saying who he felt. What did you write back? I wrote, we need a different vibe than Friday at the Intercontinental. Mr. Combs wrote, F Friday. I don't even want to do that again. What did you write? I wrote, LOL. True. Mr. Combs suspected you of having an affair with someone in the industry. What happened when he took your phone? We were in the car and he told me to call my mother. When I did, he grabbed my phone and took it. It was a big fight. He was just gone. For how long? A few hours until my mother called the police. Did Mr. Combs go through your phone? I think so, and he called someone on it. The person you had an affair with, an NFL player? I don't know if he's playing anymore, but he was an NFL player and he was jealous. Wasn't there a time he found out you were dancing with another person in the entertainment industry and took your phone, right? I don't remember. It was Chris Brown. I was not dancing with him. Look at this. It's from 2013. Now I see. What else did Mr. Combs take? My car, my passport, when he was angry. Let's refresh you about Mr. Combs being in rehab. I vaguely remember. Why did you go to Sedona? I went to Arizona to get away from the substances. I'm going to go to a new topic. Mr. Combs told you to get the video you'd heard about. What did you write? I wrote, you keep putting me down. I'm going to play you some audio. And the audio has Cassie saying, if you saw a video of me, of someone effing me, who was effing me, you have it, why didn't you show me? And the person says, because I'm not disrespectful, bro. If you don't show me, I will unalive you and slice you up. That was you, right? Cassie says yes. Did Mr. Combs express concern about these videos being released? When? Ever? Yes. The escort, Jonathan, you thought he took a video? Yes. Mr. Combs spent a lot of money to make sure the video did not get released? I don't know. You had a conversation with Jonathan Adi that was transcribed. I'm not sure. He was volatile? I didn't trust him. What did Mr. Combs say when you told him you thought Mr. Adi was recording? He said he'd take care of it. Are you aware of an escort leaving comments on Mr. Combs' Instagram page? I am not. Now let's talk about rehab. Do you still something like that? What does it treat? Addiction. Objection. Overruled. You wrote a book in rehab. The place treats actual compulsion, and that's where it ends. Yeah, so the cat is coming out of the bag, and we see how messy this whole thing is. Like, comment, repost for part 2 of day 5 of Diddy's trial and Cassie's cross-examination. Peace and one love.